a retake of how to install an FE595 keypad lock. We're going to try to do this quickly because it's colder outside. Apparently, the first time I filmed this, it just did not work out. So, let's get this. First thing we're going to install, and yes, there's snow and pumpkins out there, strike plate. So, we're going to install. I will show you guys this, but obviously you need two of these small screws. And it's very simple. Just stick the screws in and tighten them. I'll show you guys all that later on. Just twist them in a bit. That's what I'm doing. And then use the screwdriver to complete it. Like I said, we're going to try and go through this quick. So you guys can see the latch hanging a bit, hopefully. And I can't look at the camera and tighten this at the same time. I just can't move like that back and forth. But yeah, you guys can at least see that I'm tightening this in. Alright. Yeah, it is cold out here, so I want to get this video done for you guys. Just hold that in place. Okay. So we got the strike plate done. We're going to install the latch. Let me focus the camera on that part. Focus. There we go. That was a magic touch. Alright. So again, with these two small screws, obviously you only need a Phillips screwdriver for this. You're going to install the latch. Take the latch. It's right here. See? Make sure that it is facing the door jamb, so that way when the door closes, it will go in place like that. So that way it will be in the door jamb. Again, see? Put the latch in. See? Just slides right into place. See? Right into place. And now we're going to take the screws, we're going to secure it in place. For a drive-in latch, I do not know. I just searched up some other videos. I don't really know too much about drive-in latches. I know that they do not use screws, and you would need to remove the plate that we already have. You would need to remove this plate that's already on the door. You would have to remove that, and then you'd have to turn the other one, and then pop it off with the screwdriver, and then you'd put it on. I'm not really sure about drive-in latches. I don't think they're the most secure, so I don't recommend them. That's just in my opinion. Anyway, as you guys can see, I'm tightening up the screws. Alright, we have now got the new latch in place. Alright, so the latch is now in place. Make sure the door does not close, because it will be a pain getting it open. Alright, keypad assembly. Take the keypad assembly, and here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna slide the wire under the latch. Try and show this as best as I can. You're gonna slide the wire under the latch, and it should just go into place. Oh, actually, one other thing. Make sure that this is in place. This is the hands-free mounting plate screw, and it will make it easier as we install the next bit. As you can see, we have the screw there. Now you're going to pick up the base plate. Going to put the wire through the hole. So just the hole is right there. You're going to wire it through. If I can get it through. And yes, it is cold outside. And then what you'll do is you will, after you get it wired through, the wire is through, you will then it will just snap into place. Yep. You guys can hear it click. Alright, that's as best on as it is. It will now hold. Whoa! I bumped the camera. It will now hold the keypad in place, and we're going to keep it like this for the next steps. The keypad still has no power to it, so we need to get a battery. But before we do that, we must connect a few cables. Now that we have this through, we can now connect these two together. Be careful with the wires. when doing this, because you do not want to break them. There we go. Wires are in. Now we'll put the battery on, and we'll. Don't really want to. I don't like tucking them on the side because that's how I broke my other pair. There you go. So when I connect it, listen. Power has not been connected because the Schlag button has beeped. Slide the battery into its compartment. And just now the wires, you're going to want to move them over a bit. I'm trying to do this. Come on. It's on something over there. There we go. Wires in its place. Keypad now has power. See? Schlag button. Keypad lit up. I mean, you can't really see it too well from the angle. Alright. So we're going to move these over a bit. So we continue with the last step. So we don't want them on, we want to keep them on the inside. Take the interior piece and you're going to want to line this up with this right here. I'm going to try and zoom into that. That right there. You want to line it up with this. So make sure that if it's locked, you're going to want to have it in the horizontal position. If it's unlocked, turn it to the vertical position. So, and line it up from this right here. Make sure it's completely vertical, and then it should just go on like that. See? And then I would be able to turn the thing. Alright, put it in. Then you're going to take the other two screws, which these are the size that you're going to want, and you're going to want to put them in. Put the screws in. I'm going to tighten one of them a bit just to get it started. Just so I can make sure that this is in place. Okay, that should be. Okay, that's good. So get the other screw, and you don't want to over tighten the screws in place because it will affect if you're able to get them out. And if the battery does die in this thing or the battery gets low, you're going to want to be able to remove this back cover plate to get to the battery. And if you can't get to the battery, then it's not a keyless lock anymore. You're going to need a key to get in, and that's going to be a problem. So let's tighten this up. Also, make sure that these are straight. Since it is loose right now, I can move it everywhere, see? You can see how I'm moving it. Try to make sure it's straightened with the door. Straight will look better. Also, you want the handles to be, the levers to be on the right angle, or I'm sorry, on the right side with the tips pointed down. Downward, not upward, because upward will make it look weird. Okay. Come on. Almost there. There we go. Okay. Yep, just be very careful handling this lock because things can break. Okay. Getting to the part where it's going to get tight. In there. Okay. That side is tight. Now we will tighten the other side. The bottom part. See, just turn the screwdriver. Yep, turn it so it's tight in place. And the keypad lock is secure in place. I don't think I just want to test something. Need to tighten it just a bit more. Just, again, don't over tighten. Just doing a little maintenance real quick, guys. Alright. It definitely will move around just a bit, but it should be pretty secure, and it looks like this is pretty good. Because I don't want to over tighten, I'm kind of over tightening just a bit. Alright, it's good, and that is how you install one of these locks. And it took about 10 minutes to do. We have it open now. Battery is enabled, so I can flip the thumb turn. See? Vertical, horizontal is locked. See, look at the outside lever. So where I'm pointing my screwdriver, look at the exterior lever. See how it's moving? Turn this. Interior handle on the outside will freely move, because that's just how it works. And this is now done. So thanks for watching, guys. And see you less for more videos, and that's it. That's how to install one of these. See you guys later, and I hope this retake is definitely, and I can tell already this retake is better than what my other take was, because I cut so many times. This retake is definitely better. Thanks for watching. See you guys for more videos. Goodbye. Let me show you guys the strike plate while I'm at it, since I did not do that. It's right here. Some nature outside. Just a few squirrels. Siren going off in the distance. Yep, and that's the strike plate, because it comes with a nice new one. So anyway, that is it. There's some weird animal out there. Fortunately, I have my protective lock to do the trick, see? As I was showing you earlier, press the strike button and lights up all the buttons. Alright. Alright, now I'm done. See you less for more videos. Goodbye, guys.